When your hair is too big to wear out in public, this is what you can do. This is what you can do. Hey girls, so this is my third day hair. As you can see, it's pretty big. It doesn't have as much curl definition, and it definitely needs to be re-moisturized. So tonight I'm going to moisturize and seal. It's going to be very simple. So if you work full-time or go to school full-time, you know by the end of the night you're tired. The last thing you want to do is your hair. But yeah, sometimes like when your hair is so dry, if your goal is long healthy hair, it's better to not ignore your hair. You just want to get your job done, do a few twists or braids, get it re-moisturized so that it is nice and moisturized and not dried out, because when your hair's dry it leads to more breakage. So turn on some music, get you a glass of wine, and just do it. I mean, I had a long day, I'm tired, but my hair needs to be done. So yes, we're in this together. If you want to turn your frizzy, dried out, old style into a cute updo, this is how you do it. I get headaches that turn into migraines. If you do too, take this beforehand. Save your life, okay? I'm telling you, I can't do tight styles without it.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings.